Okay. Hello. Today I'm going to do OCR assignment for computer vision. My aim is to upload an image and do some OCR text recognition on it. I was trying to run it in my local environment, but I think it's due to my hardware is not enough. So whenever I try to run it, let's try. And it doesn't work, so I have to close it down, and the kernel just died out. You see, so I turned to Google Colab for help. Okay, so the environment building is on Google Colab. Let's move on to today's work. First, we need to download the package. Okay, and then we do some library importing. Okay, library importing. As I can see the file here, so for this step, it's not necessary for me now. So let's skip it. After we upload it, we start to read it and display it. Let's see. Okay. And for this step, this is meaningless, but when I'm listening to class, I see the example file just do this, so I just want to realize it. It's called the box detection, I guess. Okay, then we directly do the OCR text recognition analysis on this our original image to see how it works. Okay, we see the result. It is not so satisfying, so I guess we can do some pre-processing for the picture to make it more accurate. So let's do some pre-processing. For this, first we do the grayscale converted image to ensure that it contains only what we call intensity information. And next, we learned it from the class. It's called Gaussian blur to be used to reduce the noise. And then we do the binarization to make the image black for the easy recognition, you know. Finally, I learned it called morphological inertia, and the logic is to use 5+5 size to restructure the image, I guess, and also reduce the noise of the picture. Okay, let's run it. From the image, I guess it's because we use the Gaussian blur, so it seems not clean. So I guess the result of the recognition is not so good. Yeah, it's just like the original one. So I tried a second processing, grayscale, binarization, and for this I used in what we call inversion to make the text white on black, and I guess it may be useful. And we do contour filtering and cropping to get the corresponding cropped areas in the binary image, and I also add some AND condition, because if I do not add it, we can only get a little part of it as it's receipt, so it has text everywhere, so I have to add this and the condition to make sure we can get the whole picture. And let's run it. Okay, and I guess for this part, let's see the original part, original picture. We can see some maybe there's less light reflection. So after I do the grayscale, uh, it is detected as black. So when we do the final recognition, it may have no text on. Okay, let's run the final result. Comparing to the original one, we can see slight different, but it's not satisfying also. So I tried to use another library called EasyOCR. First, we install it. Okay, importing. And the language is English. We have to define it. And let's wait. It seemed a little complicated when before. And finally, we run it to detect the word. We do not do any pre-processing for the image here. So I just want to see the result and compare it to not just we called what's the library PyTensorAct, just do some comparison. Okay, let's run it. We can see there's a lot of text and it's more accurate than the PyTensorAct. So I guess just for this picture, this image, we can use EasyOCR for the better result. And I also upload some pictures of received in my GitHub. So let's see. Yeah, in my GitHub I also upload some receipts images. So if someone wants to try another picture, you can just see my GitHub. Okay, thank you. That's all.